Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kintan Utami nugraha. I'm from 12 Social 1, and I will read the text entitled Flood Caused by Climate Change. Devastating floods, which wreaked havoc across Britain in 2000, were likely caused by global warming. The Oxford University study said the floods, which damaged nearly 10,000 homes and cost $1.3 billion, were made twice as likely by a warming climate. This is due to the condition when the warm air holds more moisture, making outbreaks of heavy rainfall become more frequent. Using a detailed computer climate model, the project team simulated the weather in autumn 2000, but as it was and as it might have been had there been no greenhouse gas emissions since the beginning of the 20th century. Their model was then repeated thousands of times using a global volunteer network of personal computer participating in the Climate Prediction Net project. Professor Myles Allen of the Department of Physics and School of Geography and the Environment said that it was impossible to say climate change alone caused of the floods. Whether or not a flood occurred in any given year is still an act of God, but with the help of thousands of climate prediction net volunteers, we are beginning to see how human influence on climate may be starting to let God's dice. He said. Professor Allen said the study could fit into future climate change scenarios. We need this kind of studies to make sure how we come to the right decision on adaptation and if it comes to its compensation. He said previous studies have linked by 2003 heatwaves in Britain and Europe to climate change, but this is the first study to link a flooding event to rising temperature. Thank you for your attention and see you.